For humid environment, a reliable waterproof switch is essential. The XURUI XV10 waterproof micro switch has tough IP67 production for reliable operation in harsh conditions. It easily handles full immersion in 1 meter of water for 30 minutes, making it ideal for underwater gearing, outdoor machinery, and production lines that need frequent rinsing. Its silver alloy contents ensure minimal resistance and maximum conductivity. Crafted with quality, certified for choice. The XV10 meets CCC, CE, and RoHS standards. For feature different installation needs, we offer composite design in multiple styles. Choose from double through, normally closed, or normally open contact tabs, along with a variety drive like roller, level, or push button. Have a special design in mind? Send us your drawing, we will take it from here.